you can make soft stretchy semo from scratch using just corn and cassava flour. No preservative and is also budget friendly. This recipe will blow your mind. Let's get started. So first thing we need to do is to prepare our corn. Start by removing any dirt or stones from your corn one by one. We need our corn dry and clean. Next is to combine both the corn and the cassava flour together. In this case, I'll be mixing 1.5 rubber of corn to 2.5 rubber of cassava flour. You can adjust the ratio based on your texture you prefer. Corn gives the semo its firmness, while cassava adds the stretch. Now combine both together and then off to grind. You can use your powerful blender, or if you don't have, it's better you make use of your local grinding machine or mill in your area. Okay? Once the semo flour is ready, no need to sieve it. Most of the time, the fiber is really needed for that little roughness. After grinding, store in an airtight container or a Ziploc bag. It can last up to 6 to 7 months at home, depending on your storage, okay? To prepare your beautiful semo is very easy. Pour your desired amount of semo powder into a clean bowl, okay? Add room temperature water little by little and stir until it forms a smooth, lump-free paste like pap or custard consistency. Boil water in a pot. Once boiling, take a little out of the water and reduce the heat, okay? Pour the dissolved semo paste into the pot slowly while stirring continuously to avoid lumps, okay? Stir quickly as it begins to thicken. Keep turning until it forms a stretchy, smooth swallow, okay? If it's not thick enough, you can add more dry powder into the pot and continue stirring to avoid lumps. Once you have gotten the right texture and the semo is very cooked at this point, add a little water and cover it to cook for about 5 minutes, okay? Turn again after steaming to smoothen it. Look at that texture, smooth, stretchy and 100% homemade. You can pair this with your favorite soup and enjoy. It goes well with ogbono, egusi, pepper soup, anything at all. If you found this helpful, please like this video and share it with someone who loves good food. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural, home-based recipes like this. This is Ese Can Cook, where real food meets real people. And until next week, I'll be coming again. God bless you and bye.